Teleman is doo-doo. Yeah. That's my doo-doo. It's my doo-doo. Oh, I have to get it right. Come in here, doo-doo. There's pretty color. Pretty pink. What you doing to it? You sniffing it? Yeah, see? You have to get it right, don't you? Well, you're drowning in it. Barely see you. Here we go. I think he likes the texture of it. What you doing in there, Mr. Doo-Doo Kitty? What you got? Is that your tutu? Yeah. You like your tutu, don't you? Yeah, that's mine.